Everyone, I am Coach Venus. I've been part of this amazing community for over a year now. I have lost a total of 75 pounds and 19% body fat. My energy is skyrocket. I love it. So today is Fit Food Friday. And I remember when I started my nutrition program and I would go to the grocery store and I have to pick all these healthy items because I want to be on top of my nutrition program. I'm like, I don't know how to read the labels. I don't know what's good for me and what's not good for me. Am I taking the right calorie intake? Am I taking the right vitamins? So today I'm going to teach you about 5 components to focus on when you are reading labels. So the first one is going to be the servings. It's very important that we focus on how many servings are we consuming, which leads me to the calories. So how many servings we consume is going to influence our calories. Number 3 is about nutrients. There's 2 categories to the nutrients, which is the trans fat, which is the total fat, the cholesterol, and the sodium. And then we have the vitamins, which can be vitamin A, C, it can be fiber, it can be protein, whatever the vitamins that particular item is providing you. And the 5th one, which is the footnote, which is a generalization of how many grams you should take for each category. And it doesn't vary from product to product. It's practically exactly the same thing. Certain items won't have it because it's very small. So I'm going to start with our yogurt and our peanut butter, 2 of my favorite snacks. So this yogurt right here is 1 serving. Simple, right? And it equals 120 calories and it has 0 grams of fat. Seems this one is pretty awesome. So I know my serving size, which is 120. It's a serving is this 1 container. 2, this container right here is 120 calories. Now let's focus on the total fat. So how many total fat it has? Doesn't have any total saturated trans fat. That's good. The cholesterol is less than 5 grams and the sodium is 65 grams. This sounds like a pretty good snack. Now, what kind of nutrients or vitamins am I getting from this particular item? So that's a question you really want to ask yourself all the time as well. So dietary fiber, I'm getting 6 grams. I'm getting 15 grams of protein and I'm getting vitamin A and I'm getting calcium. So this sounds like a pretty good snack that I definitely want to take throughout the day. So this is the way you're going to read this particular item. Now, when it comes to serving sizes, right? So for example, this serving size is 2 tablespoons. And just to give you an idea, the measurement for the serving size is either going to be tablespoons or is going to be like scoops, containers, or pieces. It just uses different measurement units, but just to give you an idea what the servings are. So for this one, is 2 tablespoons equals 190 calories. And from those 190 calories, 130 calories is fat. So peanut butter is really good for you because we need fat and is a good healthy fat. So no big deal. But let's say I decided that I want to indulge in just peanut butter. So if I take 4 tablespoons, which is double serving, I'm taking double calories. So just be very careful that you follow the serving size. Okay. And this one has total fat, has 16 grams of fat, trans fat 0, cholesterol 0, and sodium 80 grams. Not bad, right? Pretty good. And then what kind of vitamins and minerals am I getting from this one? So I'm getting 7 grams of protein, fiber 2 grams. I'm getting vitamin E, and I'm also getting calcium. So it's a pretty good snack that we can use for anything. And then the footnote, because these 2 items are pretty small, so certain items won't have it because of the size of it, but our amazing container, our shakes, will have it. So this is the footnote. Now the footnote gives you a list of like cholesterol, total fat, potassium, carbs, sodium, that you must consume, not must, but you must consume throughout the day within a 2,000 calorie intake, okay? And this is called the DV, which is dietary volume. And this is a footnote that you can follow that can help you make sure that you're not exceeding too much sodium or carbs, and it will help you live a healthy, balanced diet. So I hope you guys understand how to read your labels when every single time you go to the grocery store, and you guys have a wonderful day.